Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem faced by individuals managing multiple not-for-profits and charities. So picture this, you're using your personal email and Apple ID to handle app management for these organizations. But when you try to enroll another organization for an Apple developer account, you encounter a roadblock. The message pops up stating that your Apple ID is already associated with the account holder of a membership. Talk about a frustrating problem, right? Now let's delve into the solution. One Apple ID can participate as a developer and many other roles in multiple organizations. However, multiple organizations cannot have the same primary Apple ID. This setup is intentional for only the account holder role and is unlikely to change. So, looks like creating a new Apple ID for each organization might be the way to go to smoothly manage multiple Apple developer accounts without any hiccups. In summary, managing Apple developer accounts for multiple organizations can be a breeze, as long as you remember the ins and outs of using your Apple ID in various roles. Keep in mind the limitations regarding the primary Apple ID, and you'll be good to go. And on that note, it's time to wrap up. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy developing.